Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mukambika Devasthanam. Panchangam for 20th July 2024. Saturday, Krodhinama Sambalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Grishma Ritu, Adi Masam, that is Karkataka Masam, Shukla Paksham, Chaturdashi up to 6 p.m., then Pavurnami, Stiravasariktayam, Nakshatram up to night, maybe Puradam full day, then Uttradam, Rahukalam 9 to 10:30 a.m., Yamakandam 1:30 to 3 p.m., Guligai 6 to 7:30 a.m. Today's good time 7 to 8 a.m., then 11 to 12 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Rishabham.